Hello everyone and welcome to the channel Online Khan Market. Are you searching for the best IIT JEE coaching in your city Bhubaneswar? Then you should definitely watch this video till the end, as I'll be discussing with you top 5 institutes for best IIT JEE preparations in your city Bhubaneswar. Before beginning with the video, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below. So without any further delay, let us begin with the video. At rank 1, we have Toppers Academy. Toppers Academy is the most preferred online training platform for the preparation of IIT entrance examinations in Delhi. Okay friends, so since 20 years of excellence in the industry of this field, Toppers Academy has now come live in this pandemic era as well. The contribution has been given immensely, experiencing and understanding the needs of the student, growing with the dreams to achieve their goals. Toppers Academy provides the best coaching for IIT JEE Main and Advanced, NEET, AIMS and also for CBSE Class 9th and 12th and undergraduate and postgraduate courses. Toppers Academy has faculty from IITs who makes the learning so interesting that students enjoy the subject and achieve excellent score in academic as well as competitions. Now let us talk about some of the features of this institute. The very first is updated study material, then interactive live classes. Third is free booklets for IIT JEE. Number 4, newspaper and magazine analysis. Then we have doubt clearing classes, answer writing practice sessions, periodic test series on updated NEET and IIT coaching institutes, regular feedback stories, and then they have limited batch size, that is 30 to 35 students for IIT JEE yearly. Okay, their contact number is 7827048964 and their batch size is 30 to 35 students for online classes batch. At rank 2, we have The Hindu Zone Institute. The Hindu Zone is a platform in which the vision of teaching IIT entrance examination is not only limited to theoretical preparation but also some practical approaches followed accordingly. The expertise counselors guide students to pave ways accordingly and individually for a better understanding of in-depth concepts. Alright, now let us talk about the features of the Hindu Zone Institute. Well-experienced faculty help students, don't let them be held up with their doubts. Then, pre-recorded classes are provided for the extensive training program. Live video sessions inculcate students with long practices. Number 4, updated study material is always there for students to be one step ahead with their preparations among the others. Then, doubt clearing sessions are an advantage for those having huge doubt while studying. Finally, we have regular feedback stories giving attention to real updates of students' analysis of the training, and it provides demo lectures for the students for the preferred coaching with an expert mentor to drive your journey smartly and appropriately. Alright, the address of this institute is 8800222298 and the batches of the institute is 25 to 30 students in a batch. Moving towards our rank 3 institute, we have Akash Institute in Bhubaneswar. Insightful study material which helps students to learn and understand better is provided in the institute. The faculty are very friendly and always ready to interact with the understudies to make them understand the topics better. Regular tests and assessment are given to the students to grow them with their knowledge on the syllabus. Also, motivational sessions are conducted to help students grow spiritually as well. The contact number of this institute includes 9818543543 and the email ID includes corporate@aesl.in. The website is www.akash.ac.in and the address is 10 Aditya Plaza, 3rd floor, Sachivalaya Marg, Bhomanagar, Bhubaneswar, Odisha 751001. Down to our rank 4 institute, we have FitJEE Coaching Institute. FitJEE esteem framework spins around truth, straightforwardness and beauty. They have a very strict rule which they follow without any mistake. They provide the best quality education. Every small thing is taken care of. Let it be the silliest doubt asked by a student, they would explain it repeatedly and in a simplified manner until the students is not clear. The organization has chosen hardworking and brilliant people as their staff, and it also has a good record of success rate in previous years. The contact number of this institute is 67439 674 239 2022 is the correct contact number. The website is www.fitg.com, and their address includes Unit 3, Unit 9, Bhubaneswar, Odisha 751022. So friends, the last institute we'll be discussing in this video, which is also our rank 5 institute, is Ellen Career Institute. Ellen Career Institutes have classes very well planned that help students to keep up with their learning from their previous class and use it in the coming class as well. They care about the health of the students, therefore has fitness classes scheduled on particular days also. High-tech classes, comprehensive study materials which are very self-guiding is provided in the institute. Also, they have periodic tests and instant results are provided to the students which help the students analyze themselves better and strive towards their improvement. Furthermore, motivational talks are given to the students. They want the students to develop from every angle, and therefore it is the most important necessity which are preparing for their examinations. The address of this institute includes ground floor Triplex building, Sainik School Road opposite Kali Mandir near Press Chak, Gajapati Nagar, Bhubaneswar, Odisha 751013. Their website is www.ellen.ac.in and their email ID includes info@ellen.ac.in. Their contact number is 9116687313. So friends, these were our top 5 institutes for best IIT JEE preparations in your city, Bhubaneswar. I hope you have got enough knowledge and information regarding all these institutions. For more updates and information like this, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below so you will not miss any updates from the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.